Hi, it's Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Today I'm going to show you around this 2010 Coachman Amara 560/4. It's a fixed bed touring caravan. It's a single axle and it features the bathroom right across the back. Just point out it's got the service interval stickers there on the A-frame, so we know it's been well looked after. Benefits gas barbecue point for outdoor cooking, an awning warmer so it blows hot air out in the awning, an external power point, and you've also got a service hatch to the space below the fixed bed. Now it's just arrived, so the carpets are with our preparation team. Nice light coloured lockers, so the van feels very spacious, very open, very fresh. Full size Hecky roof light. You notice you've got the lockers at the front there as well, so lots and lots of storage. Doesn't feel dark maybe like some caravans do, given that it's got light coloured furniture and upholstery colours. Chest of drawers, always useful, somewhere to pop your drinks, newspapers, books, magazines, etc., games. Pan around towards the kitchen area. Extractor fan, always useful. Plenty of worktop space, full cooker, hob, grill, oven, pan storage at the bottom there, look. Nice touch with the sink unit with the inset drainer, keeps all the water in one place. Thetford, silver fronted fridge door with easy touch button controls. The back there we've got the fixed bed. The unit right there in the middle of the screen is somewhere to pop your TV, and you can watch that then in the lounge area or in the bedroom area. Fixed side bed, high quality mattress, not unlike what you've got at home. Massive storage under there too. Gas electric heating via the fire, as you can see there. Drinks cabinet, very important when you're caravanning. I do say that with a pinch of salt, obviously. Controls, so they're over the door, so out the way of maybe little children or grandchildren, and they're all very simple to operate, just simple push button affair. On the left hand side I've got a sliding door, so I can partition the rear from the front. I've got a wardrobe, I've got a window, and that's a nice touch as well because you've got windows both sides of the bed. Residential style door with handle to this huge space, washroom. Look at that lovely touch having the little seat cushion there on the loo. Decent sized wash basin, and dare I say it, a decent sized shower too. And the locker there houses your freestanding table and further storage. And there you have it. It's a 2010 Coachman Amara 560/4. It's in lovely condition, to be fair. I think we've sensibly priced it. You can contact us on 01789 763432. We're happy to talk about part exchange or answer any questions you may have. You can visit the website, which is www.broadlane.co.uk, and you can also get in touch with us at Ulster Sales, ALCESTER, at broadlane.co.uk. Thank you very much.